Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do the second problem of day 6 tree binary level binary tree level order traversal. It falls in the medium category of Leetcode and acceptance rate is 61.4%. I've already done it, but I will explain you the approach in this video. Now let's move on to the problem statement. Given the root of a binary tree, return the level order traversal of its node's value from left to right level by level. So in the first level there is 3, in the second level there is 9 and 20, in the third level there is 15 and 7. So the output variable look like 3, array of 3, a vector of vectors. Uh, First vector will be 3 and the second vector will be 9 and 20. The third vector will be 15 and 7. Similarly, if there is only one root, that is 1, then the output array will be looking like this. And if the root is null, then the output array will be also a null vector. So I'm going to reset the code and code it up again for you. So first of all, we need to check if if root exists or not. If root is equal to null, we need to return a vector of vector. So first we make a vector of vector. We should make a vector of vector answer. If root is equal to null, then we should return answer as it is, a null vector of vectors. And after that, I'm gonna make a queue of q. I'm gonna make a queue of int q. So while I'm just gonna push the q dot push the first root, the root node, and while I'm gonna run a while loop till q is not empty, not equal to q dot empty. And now I'm going to store the size of the queue in a variable int n equals to q dot size, and I'm going to make a vector to store the to basically store the all the nodes at that level. Vector int temp, it will store the array all the nodes at that level while n is less than while n is not equal to 0. We are gonna run a loop and we are just gonna push. uh, First of all, we also need to just a minute. Now when we enter the loop, we will just store the top, that is front of the queue, in a tree node, like let's name is nt, because just for fun let's name is nt. Let's name it empty q dot front, nt equals to q dot front, and q dot pop. And now we are gonna put all the children of the nt into the node, into the queue. So nt if if nt left, if left of nt exists, then we are just gonna push q push nt left. If nt right exists, we are just gonna push q dot push nt right. And after the whole traversal, we are gonna just put, we also need to put the value, nt's value in the temp variable. So temp dot push back nt val, and after that we are going to push temp into the answer vector after the temp is ready. And after that we are just going to return answer, and I guess this code will run, and let's try it out. First, I will run the code and then I will submit. If there is any error, q dot push is not working. Let me see what's the. Basically, the problem is I have declared a queue int and I'm trying to push a tree node. I have made a queue of data type int, but I'm trying to push a, a variable of type tree node into the queue, so it is not working. So let me change the int to tree node, and now let's submit and see if it works. And it is working absolutely fine. Thank you for watching my video. Do consider liking and subscribing my channel.